Find the acute angles A and B is sin A plus 2B is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos A plus 4B is equal to 0, A greater than B. Given sin A plus 2B is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin A plus 2B is equal to sin 60. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin gets cancelled. A plus 2B is equal to 60. Cos A plus 4B is equal to 0. Cos A plus 4B is equal to cos 90. A plus 4B is equal to 90. Equation 2. Solve 1 and 2. A plus 2B is equal to 60. A plus 4B is equal to 90. Change sign, minus, minus, minus. A gets cancelled. Minus 4B plus 2B, that is equal to minus 2B, is equal to minus 90 plus 60, that is minus 30. 2B is equal to 30. B is equal to 30 by 2 is equal to 15. Substitute B is equal to 15 in equation 1. A plus 2B is equal to 60. A plus 2 into 15 is equal to 60. A plus 30 is equal to 60. A is equal to 60 minus 30 is equal to 30. Therefore, A is equal to 30. B is equal to 15.